Hello everyone, I am Dr. Millie and you are watching Erudite Chemistry classes. And today we are going to understand the mechanism of hydration of alkene. Hydration of alkene we will understand first. What is this process? Actually it is the preparation of alcohol. So you will learn it in the preparation of alcohol. Alcohols are prepared using this reaction, that is alkenes are hydrated to form alcohols in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. Now we will see the mechanism of the reaction, how this reaction takes place step by step, that we will learn. Okay. So this is the first step. The first step is protonation of alkene to form carbocation. Protonation means addition of proton to the alkene. So we are doing this. Let's see how it happens. I am taking CH2 here. This is an alkene and this is going to react with H3O plus. Now all of you can see here H3O plus is what? It is HOH plus, and you know this thing that whenever this H3O plus will come in contact with this alkene, this double bond of the alkene is going to shift on the one carbon and it will become negatively charged, and then this nucleophilic attack will be there on the hydrogen, one hydrogen, and what will happen then? Hydrogen will give its electron to the oxygen and will come out as proton, and then this will attach with this alkene. So what is going on here? CH2 single bond CH2, because one bond is already shifted to this carbon. Huh? So this is CH2 single bond CH2, because the carbon was shifted here, hydrogen ion will be added to it, and then this, because of the shifting of electron to this carbon atom, this will become positively charged. So I am showing it here, CH2 plus CH2H. This CH2 was negative, but just because this H plus ion is coming to it, ye plus and ye minus will nullify itself. So this is gone. Now the charge comes to CH2 dash CH2H. I can write it as like CH2 CH3. So what is this? This is carbocation. I hope it is clear. This is the first step. And once we know that the carbocation is formed, this carbocation is going to be attacked by a nucleophile. What nucleophile we are having in this reaction? This water. How this water is going to work as a liquid? Let's see. So here is the second step, that is nucleophilic attack of water on carbocation. So this water is containing what? Oxygen, और oxygen पे क्या होंगे? There will be lone pair of electron on the oxygen. When this will see this electron lacking species, this is going to attack on this carbon, which is electron lacking, positively charged having. So what is going on here? CH2 having one charge, CH3, that is carbocation, is going to be attacked by water. So can you see there, this water is having lone pair of electron. So the shifting of lone pair of electron towards the CH2, towards the carbocation. So this attack will take place and this will give you the formation of protonated alcohol. So let's see what happens. I am just flipping this molecule so that I can attach this water to it. Okay. So मैं क्या कर रही हूँ? CH3 and then I am writing down CH2. Fine. And then I am using this plus. But just because this oxygen lone pair is going to connect with it, so lone pair will turn into bond pair. So this lone pair will turn into bond pair. When it is bonded, there is no charge on it. So what will happen? Now this oxygen is connected, one lone pair left out, another lone pair is shifted to it. This lone pair is left out. So this is connected with H and connected with H. So which species is formed here? You can see here we have alcohol, but this alcohol is proton wala alcohol. So after the attack of water on carbocation, we are getting this protonated alcohol actually. So this is protonated alcohol. In the second step we are getting. So let us talk about the third step and the final step. So the final step and the third step is deprotonation. Deprotonation, because we have this protonated alcohol and ultimately this H plus ion is going to be removed from the molecule. Let's see how it happens. So I am making here CH3, CH2, O, H and H. Okay. In the presence of water, so I am making here having lone pair in it. Now this is going to attack on hydrogen, and this hydrogen will give its electron to the oxygen, will get shifted, and hydrogen will be moved out in the form of H plus ion. So can you see there what will be formed? H2O will attack on the H plus, which is formed by the shifting of its electron towards the oxygen. So let's see what happens. CH3, CH2, OH is left out, this is species, and now just because there is two bond formed by the oxygen, ये plus charge automatically चला जाएगा, है ना? तो what is going on? CH3, CH2, OH having its lone pair. यहाँ पे कितने lone pair थे? Only one lone pair was left out. So can I draw this? Now we can see here this H plus ion is attached to it. So this is H3O plus. We started the reaction from the attack of H3O plus, and we are having at last H3O plus. So H3O plus, yeah, hydronium ion is the catalyst for the reaction. As you can see here, this reaction takes place in the presence of concentrated H2SO4. So it is working as a catalyst. So starting में catalyst is present, but at the last of the reaction, catalyst should remain as such. I hope it is clear to you now. Let us see once again what is happening. देखिए, फर्स्ट स्टेप इज प्रोटोनेशन ऑफ एल्कीन, यानी एल्कीन में प्रोटोन का जुड़ना. कैसे हुआ? दिस H is shifting its electron to the oxygen, becoming into H plus ion, converting into H plus ion, and this H plus ion will be helped out by this nucleophilic attack. That is, this is going to help it out. ये इसके साथ जुड़ गया, and when it is connected with it, now the plus charge is not satisfied, जो कि यहाँ पे आया था because of the shifting the electron. Fine. तो ये आपका बन गया positively charged species, and this species is called carbocation. Once this is formed, now this is going to be helped out by water molecule. Why water molecule? Because water molecule is having these two lone pair, and this is going to help this CH2. This is going to attack with it. I flipped the molecule here, so the formula becomes CH3CH2. So this oxygen is converting in lone pair. It is keeping it in between the carbon, है ना, and oxygen. So this is going to keep its electron with the carbon and oxygen. Now just because this oxygen is having three bonds, it is acquiring positive charge, and just because it is positive charge, it is not satisfied. So it is in the mood to release this H plus ion, because if this H plus ion is out, this will get converted into a satisfied compound, that is alcohol. तो ये क्या करेगा? In the next step, deprotonation will be taken place. Deprotonation किसकी वजह से होगा? Because of the presence of this water molecule. अब ये water molecule क्या करना है? This is having lone pair. This hydrogen will give its electron to the oxygen and will come as H plus ion and will connect with this water molecule to form this H3O plus. So you can see here the H3O plus initiated the reaction, and at the end of the reaction this is left out also. I hope this video will be helpful for you to understand this concept. Thank you.